Wadi Shab, you've defied all expectations, seriously. Look at that! Oh my God! It's adventure time in Oman and we are going to Wadi Shab and the Bimmah Sink hole. Wow, I just can't get over this. Yesterday I was on the beautiful Demaniyat Islands. These protected islands were the biggest surprise in Oman. Click on the link above if you want to find out more. It is around 8 a.m. I was picked up by my guide and we have left Muscat. It is a cloudy day, but it does get better, I promise. Looks like the weather has opened up. Our first stop is going to be Wadi Shab, which I'm super excited about. I planned it a couple of days before, but it rained and I couldn't go. So, super excited. Good morning from Wadi Shab. I finally made it and looks like the weather is going to be on my side this time. So to get here, I would recommend doing a tour, because if you're doing the whole road trip thing, you can do it on your own or you could come here with the tours. So I'm here with GidOman and they picked me up in the morning. It took about an hour 45 minutes and we are super ready to go explore this beautiful place. So a wadi essentially means a valley in Arabic, and they come in two varieties, one that have water and the other ones that don't have water. So let's see which one this is. I know you know the answer, but I'm gonna keep a little bit of surprise, and this is considered one of the most beautiful wadis, by the way. If you want to go beyond the normal places, you need to organize like a private tour or check if anyone has any other tours. Like I would recommend GidOman. So you can go to Wadi TV and also Arba'in. I really like the look of those two places, but unfortunately I just don't have enough time. Do come with a change of clothes, some swimming shorts, and if you have any water shoes, otherwise they have it, they can give it to you here. And don't bring any valuables with you, and don't forget sunscreen. So let's start. The first part of this adventure is a boat ride which lasted less than a minute, and then we are on foot now. We are heading to the point where we will start with the water adventure. So this part is quite easy. It's about 30 to 40 minutes to get there to the water, and it's really easy. Even with water shoes, it was not a problem. There are not a lot of crazy ups and downs. The valley is incredibly beautiful. I'd never imagined Oman to be this beautiful. There are a lot of beautiful date farms and this water going through these little channels which they use to irrigate these date farms. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell button so you can see some more amazing travel adventures every week. Alright, so we've gotten to the point where I need to start swimming, and yeah, I'm not a good swimmer, so I'm a little nervous. Let's see how far we can go. Let's go! The Water here is crystal clear and it is so beautiful, fresh, and it just feels like it's hugging you. But some of these ponds are deep and I'm not a very good swimmer. Luckily my guide was around and he gave me his life jacket. How nice of him! We are going at a very leisurely pace and it is going to take us about 25 to 30 minutes to get to the final point. Look at this! Oh my god! Incredible! We spent around half an hour in there just playing in that beautiful water, going up and down that waterfall. Absolutely incredible. I just don't want to leave this place. We wanted to spend more time in there, but we need a little bit of energy to swim back. And we're a little cold and hungry as well. Time to head back. Wow, what an absolutely incredible adventure. But that life jacket saved my life, otherwise the pools are quite deep and you do need to swim, so please do arrange. Luckily the guys had the life jacket, so saved my life. But what an absolutely amazing place that is. And the last part is probably the best part. Wow, I just can't get over this. Look how beautiful this water is. Unbelievable. Wadi Shab, you've defied all expectations. Seriously. Wow. I am heading back now, but it has been an absolute adventure today. Oh my god, look at this place. I just can't get over how beautiful it is. So there's a couple of reasons I would definitely recommend doing this with the tour. So one, it is a little bit of a complicated route to get there and you could easily get lost. Not that, you know, you get lost, but you're just gonna waste time. Secondly, that life jacket. 3, the pools are a little tricky, and if you're not a good swimmer like me, some of them are quite slippery and it's a little complicated. So I would definitely not recommend doing this on your own if you're not a good swimmer. So let's continue back to the jeep, get some food, and then we get to Bimmah. We're heading to Bimmah Sink hole. It's barely 15 minutes from Wadi Shab entrance. So after that delicious lunch, I mean, I could totally have a nap. But who wants to nap when you can just get to the beautiful Bimmah Sink hole? And I'm super excited to see what it is like when it is nice and sunny. So let's go check it out. Oman is full of surprises and I'm sure you want to see more than just this video, so I created a full playlist. Click on the link above and check it out. We are at Bimmah Sink hole, which is stunning. Just look how beautiful that water is. So the local name of this place is Hawiyyat Najm, which means the well of falling star, because they used to think it was because a meteorite fell and this was formed, but it's actually a freshwater lake. And you can definitely swim in here, like you can see behind me. A little correction, it's actually a mix of seawater and freshwater, but it's really beautiful no matter what kind of water it has. I was done for swimming for today after being in water for so long, but honestly, I just sat there and stared at this beautiful place for ages. Oh well, all good times come to an end. It's almost the end of the day and we have to head back to Muscat now. The next part of my Oman adventure will take me to Wahiba Desert and the sweet city of Sur. Click on the link above and meet me there. This is Brown Boy Travels. Do subscribe, like and share. You can also reach me on Instagram, or you can check full guide on my blog www.brownboytravels.blog. I'll see you in the next video.